just a crack, in case your shadow found its way back. The air still hums with what we were, a love that faded, slow but sure. Don't forget my white roses, not the thorns, just the bloom and the grace. Lay them down where my love once rested. Let them breathe in the silence I traced. The clock still ticks, but time stands still. This house is quiet, but it's never filled. Your name still lingers in the air, like a ghost who knows I'm still there. Don't forget my white roses,